Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and I'm going to make a Valentine card using this die cut. I cut in 3 different colors, red, pink, and light pink, or more like hot pink or fuchsia, I don't know. And I start ensembling the hearts wherever I feel they're going to look good, but I try to arrange them in a diagonal way. And leaving a space under to put the word love that I made with 2 of thin holes die cuts, letter die cuts. After that, after gluing down, I glue the letters and I start decorating the hearts a little bit with glitter gel pen. And I also add kiss stamp. I stamp little kiss everywhere. I was thinking to make this card instead the word love. I was thinking to place the word XOXO, that means kisses and hugs. But I decided to do it just with the word love. This is a very easy and super fast card to make. We always need one at the last moment. And this is mine. Well, I'm going to put some music. Let you enjoy this video. Thank you. When I'm finished decorating my card panel, I'm going to glue it to my card base. That is hot pink glitter paper. And this is it. This is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. On the next card, goodbye.